Silence. Nothing has changed yet. Same machine, same condition. The inspection begins exactly where the journey paused. Every bolt is checked carefully. Nothing is rushed. Nothing is assumed. The rust is removed slowly, carefully, without disturbing the soul of the machine. They map every wound carefully, planning the repair before taking action.
Only the rust is removed. The original metal and its history are carefully preserved.
With the hood open, they face the heart of the Land Cruiser for the first time.
Years of carbon buildup have choked the engine, stealing its breath and power.
The old oil drains away, carrying years of neglect with it.
Every bolt tells the story of time, rust, and patience. With everything prepared, the engine is finally ready to be lifted free.
Slowly and carefully, the heart of the Land Cruiser rises free.
Once clear of the Land Cruiser, we carefully lower the engine onto the stand and begin unhooking the chains. Inside the engine, years of neglect are finally exposed. Beneath the head, the engine shows the true cost of time and carbon.
Carbon is removed layer by layer, allowing the engine to breathe again.
Each piston is removed gently, treated like a piece of history. Every piston is cleaned and checked, one by one, with no shortcuts.
The cylinder walls are cleaned carefully, preparing the engine for a second life.
The pistons return to their homes, guided carefully back into place. Every bolt is tightened to exact specification. Precision matters here.
Fresh bearings prepare the engine for long-term reliability. Oil flow is critical. The pump is secured with care. A clean seal ensures no leaks in the future.
The head returns, reconnecting the engine's core.
Each bolt is tightened in order, locking the engine together. The valve train is rebuilt with patience and accuracy.
The engine begins to look whole again.
The engine rebuild is complete, ready to return home.
Check out the clearance right here.
Beautiful, absolutely beautiful work.
Alignment is everything at this moment.
The engine is locked in place.
The engine settles back onto its mounts. Power and drive are reunited. Cooling lines are restored to keep temperatures steady. Electric life returns to the engine. Fuel flow is restored safely.
Fresh oil gives life back to the Land Cruiser Jeep.
Cooling the engine is just as important as powering it.
The Jeep breathes again!
Man, that took forever. but it looks amazing now. I'm glad that's finally clean.
The Jeep is ready for the road again.
Clear vision is the final touch.
Every light must work perfectly. The Jeep moves under its own power.
Hard work finally pays off.
Back on the road where it belongs.
The journey begins again.
The engine settles into a steady rhythm.
Everything stays dry and tight. Everything stays dry.
The heart of the Jeep is strong.
Recent, yeah. Right?
It conquers water once again. The original white still shines. Control feels natural again. The journey continues forward.
A new chapter begins.
From forgotten to reborn. The end